DJ Spider-Man.
Asanteni sana. Sasa nataka nichukue nafasi hii. Hebu patia gavana Babu Owino. Mupatie support ya Babu Owino. Sasa tunataka kuwaletea gavana Wycliffe Wafula Wamati.
One time happening. Bungoma ni one time happening. Kakamega ni one time happening. Busia ni one time happening. Uasin Gishu ni one time happening. Uasin Gishu ni one time happening. Uasin Gishu ni one time happening. Bungoma unasema happening.
After postponing several planned rallies due to security concerns, Saboti MP Eugene Wamalwa was finally in Bungoma to officially kick off his presidential campaigns. Although no legislators from traditional Western province attended the rally, Wamalwa, who is also eyeing for the Ford Kenya chairmanship, says he was ready to go all the way.
Those who have said these little kids who have no experience cannot lead. This little upstart who has no money cannot get anywhere. And I want to tell them that every time you say that about Eugene Wamalwa, you are saying it about 30 million young Kenyans.
President Kibaki's son Jimmy Kibaki, who has already gone public in support of Wamalwa's presidential bid through his Simama Kenya initiative, did not attend the launch as earlier anticipated. Wamalwa, however, maintained the Simama Kenya policy for a generational change.
ningependa kuwania urais wa nchi hii, ya kwamba ninaanza safari ya kwenda Canaan, ile safari ya Grand March iliyoanzishwa na marehemu Wamalwa, marehemu Muliro. Ford Kenya!
Agriculture Minister William Ruto, who is also in the race to State House, has already gone public supporting Wamalwa's bid. And the presence of two pro-Ruto MPs from Rift Valley, Peris Simam and Joshua Kutun, could well be a clear hint of things to come ahead of the 2012 general election.
Western Sima tumeona munasimama na Mheshimiwa Eugene, na sisi tunahakikishia kwamba hata kule Rift Valley ana mate yetu.
Wamalwa is now expected to take his campaigns to other provinces. Chris Dairo, Citizen TV.